Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Crossover on Mac and how to install Windows-based application on macOS Monterey. First of all, I am download a Crossover software for Mac. Open Safari browser. Type google.com. Type in Google search bar, download Crossover for Mac. Click on first link, free trial download run Windows apps with Crossover. Let's drop down little bit. Crossover software is not free. If you want to use the trial version, then first you have to enter your name and email ID here. Then we will be able to download the trial of the Crossover. Fill your name. Fill your email ID. Click on Download Trial now. Crossover Mac 21 downloading is started. Click on Allow. As long as the Crossover Mac is being downloaded. Until then, I'll tell you about what Crossover Mac and what is the use of this software on Mac OS. Crossover is a Microsoft Windows compatibility layer available for Linux, Mac OS, and Chrome OS. This compatibility layer enables many Windows-based applications to run on Linux operating systems, Mac OS, or Chrome OS. Crossover is developed by Codeweavers and based on Wine, an open-source Windows compatibility layer. This means you don't need to dual boot Windows and Mac OS. You can easily run Windows-based application on Mac OS. In this video I am going to show you Crossover Mac 21 is downloaded. Go to Downloads. Close Safari browser. Right-click on Software, click Open. Click Open again. If you want to move this app on Application Software, then click on Move to Application Software. Click Do Not Move. As you can see, the trial version of the Crossover software is for 14 days only. After 14 days you have to purchase the software. Now I am going to click Try Now. Our Crossover software is installed. Now this time to install a Windows-based application on it. But before that I want to tell you something. Crossover Mac does not support 64-bit Windows applications. It supports only 32-bit Windows applications. In 32-bit also this limited supports Windows-based applications. Now we will install a very popular accounting application Tally on it. Now I am going to download Tally software. Let's close Crossover software. Open Safari browser. Type google.com. Type in Google search bar, download Tally ERP9 free. Click on first link, download Tally Solutions. Tally Prime is a latest product of Tally. It is pure 64-bit software, that's why I am going to download Tally previous version. Tally previous version have 32-bit or 64-bit. Let's drop down end of page. Click on previous versions. Now I am going to select Tally.erp9 release 6.6.3. Click Install. Click on Allow. Tally download is started. It will take some time. After downloading, go to Downloads. Close Safari browser, click on Finder. Click Download. Setup.exe is our Tally software. Close Downloads. Now open Crossover Mac. Click on Install a Windows application. Type Tally. Select Tally 9. Click on Continue. Click Choose a installer file. Click Downloads. Select Setup.exe, click Use this installer. Click on Continue. Click Install. Click Install. Click Done. Now our Tally software is installed successfully. In this demo, I am select Tally working on educational mode. Let's close Tally software. Click Done. Let's close Crossover. Now I am going to open Tally again. Click on Launchpad. Click Tally ERP9. If you have a Tally valid license or serial number, you can activate the Tally software. Otherwise you can work as a educational mode. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.